Father's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, Christmas. It seems like there's so many occasions during the year when we need to find that perfect gift for that perfect someone. And if that perfect someone in your life is into action cameras like GoPros, or maybe just vlogging, well then you need to stick around, because in this video, I've got 5 great gift ideas and they all come in at under $30. All right, so the first item we're going to have a look at today is the Neweer Smartphone Rig. And this only weighs in at 260 grams, which is pretty light. And it's actually a pretty cool little unit for your mobile phone or your smartphone. It has 5 of these cold shoe mounts here on the rig as well. And it has multiple numbers of these 1/4-inch screw mounts here as well, where you can attach things like lights or mic rigs. It's also super comfortable. It's made of like lightweight but hybrid plastic here. It's quite strong. And a really cool thing about this item here is you can actually, look here in the bottom, you can see you can actually screw that into a regular tripod mount as well. So you can have it for vertical shooting as well as for horizontal. We're going to show you right now how quick and easy it is to put a smartphone into it. So we'll grab a smartphone here. And all you need to do is just slot the smartphone here into the little cavity. And if we flip it over and we turn it on the back, you'll see here we have this dial thing that we can loosen. And by loosening that, it automatically clips onto the top of, or comes down to the top of your phone. And then to make sure it doesn't move, you can turn this dial here to tighten it up. And then when you're out and about, it means you've got a really handy rig to do some beautiful panning, and it's going to work on things like, it's going to improve the stabilization on your footage basically when you're filming with a smartphone. Another really cool thing is it comes with these handy Velcro straps. So if you are going to be attaching it to a mic unit, an external mic, or maybe to a light rig, and you want to tie the cables out of the way, well, it's super easy and super convenient. It looks so much tidier too with these handy little Velcro straps. All right, so right now we're going to head outside and we're going to take some great footage with our smartphone using the Neweer Smartphone Rig. Hey there, really hope you're enjoying this video, and if you are getting value, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe buttons. Just doing these couple of small little itty bitty things really helps the growth of my channel, and it helps me keep making videos like this one for you. Okay, thank you for listening. Let's get back to the video. All right, so our next thing we're gonna have a look at is from Tersely, and it's screen protection for your GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11 and 12 with this awesome little tempered glass kit. So we'll just open it up and we'll show you what you get. Okay, so once you open up the Tersely kit, this is what you find inside. You find a cloth for cleaning the screen of your GoPros before you actually apply the tempered glass. You find this really handy professional screen cleaning paper, which makes sure it's nice and super clean. And then here in this kit, which is really cool, you get 2 of each. So you actually get 2 rear screen protectors, 2 front screen protectors for your GoPro, and also 2 for the lens as well. And another thing I really like about this kit from Tersely is it also includes 2 of these lens covers. They come in super handy, and they're also like an extra layer of protection for your GoPro Hero. The glass is tempered glass. It's 9H in hardness, which is super hard. It provides protection from scratches as well. And I find that this is a really good kit, and coming in at only $10, it's an absolute steal and a great way to protect your GoPro Hero. The next thing we're gonna have a look at right now is this awesome little battery pack from Veektomx. It's a mini power bank and it only weighs 165 grams, which is like less than 6 ounces. And actually has a battery capacity of 10,000 mAh, which stands for milliamp hours. Okay, so this little unit here is super good. If you look here on the end, you can see how it has provision here for USB-C, USB-A, and also the old school one, which is the micro USB as well. It comes with this handy cable, which is great for charging, and very, very convenient. But the thing I really like about this one here, it has a wake up button here on the side too, which I'm going to show you in a second. And when you press on that, what happens, it actually brings up the percentage of battery that is left on your battery pack here, which is awesome. At 10,000 mAh, this thing has double the capacity of most mobile phones, so you can use it to charge up your smartphone or your GoPro when you're out and about. It's super awesome. The normal GoPro battery has about just over 1700 mAh, so to have something like this on hand is a really fantastic little device. Yeah, and another great thing about this product is it has a 12-month warranty. And it's super light, it fits in your pocket, and at under $30, I think this is a great gift idea for anybody who goes out filming with their GoPro or action camera or even their smartphone. This is a great gift. The next thing we're going to have a look at right now is the Reygeak magnetic mount. Now this comes in at around about $29. It's actually something I use a lot when I'm out filming. It's got 6 very strong magnets here inside the plates, and as you can see, there's quite a bit of magnetic power there. And if you happen to put the magnet on incorrectly, it's pretty easy to move it around to the right spot. And if it's a little bit off, it'll auto-correct for you as well. Now this comes in weighing around about 80 grams. You can actually put it underneath your clothes or even inside a backpack. So if you're out hiking, for example, the magnet is super strong, and you can attach it here to your GoPro very simply and very easily on the front. This is something that you can also, because of how strong it is, you can also attach it to other magnetic items too, like the fridge or a power pole or anything which is steel. So this item here, Reygeak, I've featured it before on the channel. If you want to see it displayed a little bit more, click on the link at the top of the screen now. But at under 30 bucks, this is a really great item for anyone who wants to sort of try and get some different kind of angles when they're out filming with their GoPro or their action camera. And I really, really like this product from the good people at Reygeak. The next item we are going to show you today is this little product here from HSU. It's called the Windslayer. It's made of high density sponge, and what you do is you pop it on your GoPro and it protects it, but the most important thing is it cuts wind noise. So if you're out filming by the water, like say you're fishing or camping or maybe even on a hillside, this little product, as light as it may be and as silly as it may look, actually does a fantastic job of cutting wind noise. We'll just show you how easy it is to put on as well. So what we're going to do is grab your GoPro, got my Hero 11 here right now. Now you want to look here on the side so we can see here, that's where we're going to line it up with our mode button, like so. Just got to pop your GoPro in and pull it around to the back like that. Make sure it's properly dressed. As in properly dressed, you want to be able to see where the button is. There you go, fantastic. And then here on the back, you've still got vision of all the screen on the back and on the front as well. You can just adjust it a little bit till it's to your liking. Now, the really good thing about this product too, it does cost $26, but you do get 2 of these as well. So if you happen to lose one, or say if you have more than one action camera like I do, you will have that spare Windslayer. That's a really great product, very light, very easy to put in your backpack, doesn't weigh too much, and that's a great gift for someone if you're trying to find the right present for someone who's into action cameras. All right, so the last item we're going to have a look at today is this awesome product here from Neweer. It's called the Super Clamp Ball Head Magic Arm Camera Clamp with Cold Shoe. Yes, a bit of a tongue twister, but this is a great little unit. This is the main unit you get here. As you can see, it's got a 1/4-inch jack there, so you can attach it to like a regular SLR camera, or even say the GoPro Hero 12, which has that regular kind of mount. It's got this handy little attachment here on the side where you can adjust this, so you can actually move this top piece forward and back, which is super handy. Now, it also comes with another little clamp thing here on the bottom, so you can actually attach these super soft pads here, or these super rubber pads, to like say a desk or a table, so you're not going to mark it. This part here can be widened, so you can actually put it around a branch or the edge of something, and it even comes with a cold shoe mount. So if you want to attach, say, a light source there, or perhaps any other photography item. Also comes with these 1/4-inch little screws here too, in case you want to put some other camera equipment there as well. This is a really great product. And one thing I really like about this packet too as well from Neweer is it comes with this handy attachment here, which you can just slide on the top in case you want to use it for your smartphone. Only takes a second to apply that one. And it also has this 1/4-inch mount here too, in case you want to film in vertical mode, and also has an attachment for the GoPro Hero as well too, or any other action cam. I think this product is really super handy and super convenient when you're out filming with your smartphone or GoPro, or even just a regular camera there. And the fact that it's so versatile, and the fact that it comes with these like little products here to protect your equipment is super awesome. It's made of high-grade aluminium as well, so you know it's not going to break down on you. And for under $30, this is an awesome accessory or an awesome gift to give that person in your life who loves going out and filming with their action camera or their smartphone.
Finding the right gift for the right person can sometimes be a tricky endeavor, but hopefully this video has given you a few new ideas that will help you the next time you have someone special in your life that you need to buy a gift for. Let me know which one of the 5 suggestions was your favorite in the comments section down below. I would love to hear from you. Also, let me know which one was your favorite in case you want to buy one of these for yourself. If you want to learn more about GoPros, action cameras, vlogging, all that kind of stuff, what you need to do is click on the video over here next. As usual, thank you for your company today. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.